The last place you want to see graffiti is on your property. Now, with Dulux Prevision anti-graffiti coating, protecting your home has never been easier. It's an easy DIY job that lasts and can be applied to bare and painted surfaces. Make sure you got the right tools before you get started. You'll need a drop sheet, Dulux Prevision anti-graffiti coating, a screwdriver, bucket of sugar soap and sponge, brush and paint pot, roller and tray, safety glasses, gloves and mallet. The coating is permanent, so if your surface is painted, make sure you're happy with the colour before you apply the coating. It creates a wet look, so check you're happy with the gloss appearance in an inconspicuous area before you start. First, clean the surface with sugar soap and let it completely dry. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Then open the can and remove the seal by piercing it with a screwdriver. Pour the coating into a clean container, wipe off any excess product and reseal the cap on the can. Make sure you use within an hour of pouring. Using your brush, cut in around the edges of the surface. Once you've got all the tight spots, use a roller to finish the flat surfaces. Maintain a consistent pace to get an even coverage. Apply 2 coats and make sure you allow 1 hour between applying each coat. The surface will become graffiti resistant within 12 hours. With Dulux Prevision anti-graffiti coating, you can have the peace of mind knowing that your surface is protected. A high-pressure water wash is all you need to completely remove the graffiti. Use the fan pattern setting and keep the spray about 20 centimeters from the surface, moving over the affected area until the graffiti is gone. Dulux Prevision anti-graffiti coating is heavy duty and will protect the appearance of your home for years to come. Find out more at www.dulux.co.nz/anti-graffiti.